So Seppi is here. So Alana is willing to massage me. Thank you, my love.
You're welcome.
Alana put me pecascent oil. So good girl, anyway. Yeah.
Okay. Can I stand on you?
Yes, better. You need to put the t-shirt and use can stand. Ay, medyo ko yung manghihilot kamay. Ay. So when Papa come home, you also massage Papa? Huh?
Yeah.
Up, up. Wow, it's so good. Wow.
Me or Papa?
Yeah.
Mama.
Yeah.
Me or Papa?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Was?
Me or Papa?
You. Really, you're really good, Lausa to. Oh, that is so good. Wow. Oh, that is so good.
You sure?
Yeah, it's really good. It's perfect. Oh. Wow, it's so good palangga. Yeah, bisin delunta, bisin dunta. Mere. Yeah, bisin. Yeah, too. Yeah, there you walk there. It's so good. Ay, kabutan na lang yung patao. Thank you, my love. So Alana volunteered to massage me because Papa is not here.